the red one has double.
What's up, guys? It's Greeny. I'm in mid-Michigan, in St. Charles, Michigan, at a truck show, and we're gonna do some back roading on this Jeep right here. So should be kind of fun. I haven't been doing much lately, but it's a beautiful day out here, and show you guys some what some people do, collect army trucks. But should be fun to go on a ride on the back roads on that one. So this right here is the Jeep I'm gonna go on, and I'm not sure about this, but he says it'll eventually stop, but the brakes aren't too good, so I'm a little nervous. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I think I'm at 98, so please subscribe. I don't know, maybe we'll go on some of these other ones. This one looks pretty cool. Just show you guys these other trucks real quick. I think this whole row is Jeeps, and then there's these Dodges over here. Oh, some of them are for sale. Check this out. This is the Dodge. 10,000. Anybody looking for a truck? I think these are like 1948s, 1940 somethings. Jeeps, or these are Dodges. Those are Jeeps over there. Wow, this one's nice. Check this one out. Power wagon. So shiny. Looks brand new. How many miles on this one? 900 miles on this. What year?
64.
1964 Dodge Power Wagon. 900 miles on it. Wow. This is beautiful. It's brand new. So it looks like they added a wood interior here on the bed. That probably is not original, but that's really nice. Shit, I wonder how much they want. 10 grand for that other one. I wonder how much he wants for that one. It's not even for sale, I don't think. Oh, look at this old fire engine. Let's see. Can't make out. Rapid Township? Erie Township? Huh. Might be Erie Township. I guess they used to put out fires in tunnels with this, or if fields were on fire, just drive down the street. I can't make out what township that is. All right, let's go for a ride in this Jeep. Oh, I think I'd rather go in this Jeep. This looks safer. But I guess what fun would that be? So we're gonna follow you guys, eh?
Okay, yep.
So what are we doing now, Kevin?
We're going to go to a different path.
No, what are we doing? The one trail ride?
And then we're going to do a trail ride,
All
follow
right,
in.
we're going in this Jeep.
This one.
Yo, bro, where's the seatbelt?
Come on in, man. I'll take good care of you.
I thought you said there's no brakes on this.
Not very, the brakes are a little weak for the water crossing, but good enough.
Dude, you sure your dog's not gonna fly out of here?
Yeah. That's a country dog.
Woo, it's hot out here today. Better get some acceleration here soon. Get a little more air conditioning in this Jeep. Supposed to be real air conditioning. What are we doing now? Oh, different trail? Kevin right here. Kevin's a truck expert. If anybody's interested in maybe purchasing something like this,
My
any
name's Kevin. Ask me for parts.
of the Jeeps or trucks or anything, leave me a message in the comments and I'll get you in touch with these guys. There's another channel that they just started called the Old Truck Boys. I'll leave a link. There should be a few truck videos in there if that's what you're into. Where are all these crops out here?
That's their sugar beets.
Sugar beets. Sell them for honey bait or what?
No, that's where Domino Sugar buys the sugar beets.
Well, he sells them to Domino's. Oh, okay. Very good. You guys get your sugar from Domino's?
Cooking sugars, tables, sugars.
This is where it comes from. Where's the sweet? Which feels for sweet level? No. American license.
Great Plains, they have Woodland Buffalo, and they have Great Plains Buffalo. They have the Great Plains Buffalo.
Good plans. Like the one that knocked that lady down in South Dakota. I didn't know there was multiple in Michigan. Hey guys, wanna fight? That was close. Almost broke my phone. My phone would have dropped if it got ran over. Good thing I got insurance on it. Gypsy. Gypsy, say hi. Gypsy. Say hi. Dog's all wet, dripping on me, get me all dirty. Sorry, I like dogs, so that's okay. It's more like a parade than off-road.
Yeah, this is the off-road parade.
Off-road parade, all right.
Alright, if you look real close to that field, you'll see that soybeans growing on the stalk. See the soybeans and that'll brown out and fall. And then they'll harvest that.
Wow.
The soybeans, they make you eat it,
Ednami,
plastics, Ednami. Yeah.
So I could come here and get my old
Yeah, you can
winter's
pick your
coat
own
Ednami. Wow. You pick it Ednami. But I don't think that's what they do here. Yeah.
I wish I had air and I got open cap.
Your blind?
Yeah, kind of.
Is this where you used to live, Art, before you built up?
This
the
is where I
front?
go when I can't live at home.
This was here when you moved in? This is,
No, I built it.
oh, you built it. Okay. Kevin told me that
Yeah.
it's original and all this stuff. And I said, oh, I should bring my metal detector. There's probably coins from 1752 back here. But, so wow, yeah. How long did it take you to build this?
Oh, I did it one winter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Didn't get much. There's a bunch of straw in there, and the critters got in there. And boys started putting the floor in it.
Wow, this is real hunting camp here.
There's a little, I made this back here too if a guy wanted to
Oh, wow,
shoot
nice.
through there, you know.
Yeah,
Shoot both ways.
nice. Yeah, this would make a nice blind, no doubt. It's pretty cool. I would call this the ultimate rustic hunting blind. Let's see where this line of sight takes you. Pretty cool.